Lens Tutorial TV, your one-stop hub for learning everything.
Hello everyone, I'm here again before you to learn together, and today I'll be introducing Microsoft Excel to you. We need to acquire some knowledge in the area of Microsoft Excel. And what is Microsoft Excel? What is it all about? Microsoft Excel is one of the spreadsheet applications in the world. When we say spreadsheet, just like you have a large table, very big, and has room for different things to put your data, to put your value, to put your items. That's spreadsheet. Standard spreadsheet is just a rows and column forming different cells, table, whereby you type different things you want, you do your calculation, you do your analysis, you do your projection, and other things. Therefore, we are starting that this morning. We are starting Microsoft Excel this morning. This is just introduction. Why from tomorrow or thereabouts, we start the main teaching. Today is to introduce you into it and tell you why you need to learn Microsoft Excel. Why do we need to learn Microsoft Excel? Without beating about the bush, there are lots of opportunity, career opportunity awaits you if you master Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel is used for many things, and many people worldwide use it. Over 750 million people, or not even just people, even professionals, over 750 million professionals trust, use Excel, Microsoft Excel. And I'm inviting you, if you're not part of this over 750 million, to join them today. Because Microsoft Excel is essential for data analysis, for reporting, for automation, for many other things you want to do. You need Microsoft Excel. Maybe you'll be working before now, using your brain, using your hand, doing it tediously. But the Bible says, my people are perished. People perish when there is no knowledge, no better understanding. Excel makes your work faster. As we learned in simple science, that simple machine makes work faster. Excel is the machine. Is the machine you need to make that your work faster. And the same Excel open doors for multiple jobs in different industries. Maybe you want to upgrade, you want to move to a next company, you want to move to next place, you want to be better in your work, you need Microsoft Excel. Why this? Because if you're a data analyst, or you want to become a data analyst, you need Excel. Accountant needs Excel. Admin accountant needs Excel. Financial analyst needs Excel. Teachers, they need Excel. Teachers. School owners, they need Excel. Project managers, they need that. Marketing analysts, HR analysts, HR officer, HR managers, they need Excel to do their work effectively and faster. Supply chain analysts, small business owners, freelancer, tutors like me, people who are teaching others, they need Excel. For you to do better, for you to achieve better, for you to perform better, you need to use Excel. How can it help me if I'm a data analyst? How can it help me if I'm an accountant? How can it help me? Oh, very, 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 very vast. Like maybe an accountant may use that for account reconciliation. That reminds me, banking, for example, in bank, they have their ATM machine. The ATM machine is within the ATM room. Within the machine itself, ATM, automated teller machine. Within the machine itself, it has computer, that's the machine. And it keeps record. It keeps record of every transaction, where customer is paid, balance is checked, and so on. And now maybe customers have come to complain, or some customers have come to complain. I came here to use your machine and I was paid less, but my account was debited fully. Or I was not even paid at all. But my account was debited. How can the bank owner, how can the ATM officer, how can they prove that, how can they verify whether the claims are true or not true? They take the record from ATM and they go to their own system, the main software they use, like Finacle Call by some banks. They go there and bring the record. They export to Excel from both sides, from the ATM and their software. Then they combine the two. They merge the two into one Excel. They color them. One can be color red, another one can be color black. The one from ATM can be color red, while the main system can be color black. Then they do sorting, mix them together. In the end, according to date, they will not pair them. The system will pair them. Then we can now say, okay, this one is in this machine. It's also in the main software. It's in the ATM main software. From there, anyone that you cannot see as a pair, as two, so there's a problem there. From there, they're able to know, oh, wow. Oh, truly the customer was not paid, or truly the customer was paid less. This is what we call reconciliation, ATM reconciliation. Accountant, they use Excel for reconciliation. Banker, they use it for reconciliation. Some use it for payrolling, for payroll. The HR, for example, HR analyst, HR manager, human resource manager, to pay their customer, to pay their workers. They use Excel. Some of them use for payroll. Even some of them have a payroll application software, but they still export sometimes to Excel. Please, you need Excel. It helps in, let me come to school, even maybe report analysis, assessment analysis, even the sales and many things. Sales people, they use it for sales analysis. We need Excel for different things. Analysis, sales analysis, business analysis, even for forecasting. It's used for forecasting, maybe financial analysis, to forecast investment model. It's used for this, for tracking, for scheduling, for customer and sales record. Excel is used for more than what you can think. Anything. Once there is data, figures, Excel is needed. Once what you are doing requires figures, you need Excel. Even market women, market people, they need Excel. Therefore, learning Excel is not a waste of time, but it's an added advantage, added knowledge to make you better and to increase your indispensability in workplace. Many things will be learned as you join us every day by day or every week. You learn how to use formula, how to use function like if, VLOOKUP, and other ones, how to use pivot tables, how to use charts, Power Query, macros, VBA, that's Visual Basic Application, dashboard creation, data visualization, and many other things. Therefore, don't go away. Make sure you subscribe to this, to Lens Tutorial TV, to able to, and subscribe. As you subscribe, get the notification, apply for notification to be alerted every now and then whenever we post new ones. As you combine Excel to what you've learned in university, polytechnic, or any other school, or whatever you are doing, as you add Excel, I promise you, your indispensability, your reliability, your usefulness, your dependability by your company will be so high. They will take you, handle you like hot cake. Even if you plan to resign, they will not allow you to go because they know your usefulness. A nation, let me come to our nation. During election, they use Excel for data collation and so on, and many other things. Let me end it here, that take Excel more importantly than you think. Starting the next teaching from now, we go into the interface. Excel fully. This is just introduction. We'll go there fully to show you one by one what to do, how to do this, how to do that. Don't forget to come to this channel every now and then for new release video on Excel. Thank you. Till we meet again. Bye.